Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box, and here in this paper box we can find the SIM eject tool, the warranty card, and this quick start guide and the safety guide together. Also we can see here the protective case, the silicone protective case. In my case it's in a gray clear color, so let's just maybe use this case right now. Also we can find here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original charger Nubia brick with all of the specs. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.